need some money. I need some change.
I don't
in
wanna
my life
around no more.
Every day as I wake, I pray for the strength to change this rain into rays of light. Overcome the pains and make it right. All survive, getting by with them like a reps. You can fall in line or be your own man. Every man has a chance to change. Some let it pass by and fade away, but I'ma grab mine till I see the better day.
In my life, I need to make a change. In my life, in my life, I need some change. In my life, in my life, I need to make a change. I need a change. In my life, I need some change.
Hey, come get hurt by this work in progress. I put in work and don't work for profits. My work ain't done until I make some change. Outside my comfort zone, everyone seems strange. What I get in exchange ain't worth the pain. And if it don't show, it still hurts the same. And when it don't work, who's the first to blame? I need a head doctor to nurse my brain. Yo, I'm philosophy if you ain't heard the name. With lines so hot the flow burst to flame. She said have a seat, sit back and relax. What seems to be the problem? Just give me the facts. I said, doc, I think my head is like the tip of a match. I'm ready to strike right, I need therapy. Someone to take care of me. Hey, just beware of me. And if this don't work, I need a money back guarantee.
In my life, I need to make a change. In my life, in my life, I need some change. In my life, in my life, I need to make a change. You don't have to. In my life, I need some change.
I am who I am, and nothing can change me. Arguing like I should have been on the debate team, but instead I was always busy blazing and drinking. Mondays through the weekend, my teacher from the only class I passed got me thinking. It's seeming like I only got one option, cause my community is a coffin. Too often I'm running from the cops, and if I'm caught then I'll be locked in a pen and forgotten. Had this realization, everything started changing. What was minimum wage in was now enslavement. I'm seeing lynchmen hanging, used to be just slanging. I was feeling deranged and delusional, but it wasn't an illusion. No, it was the first time I saw reality. So strange, cause I was living in a fallacy.
In my life, I need to make a change. In my life, in my life, I need some change. In my life, in my life, I need to make a change. In my life, I need some change.
If things don't change, this relationship's in danger. She's acting strange, looking at me like a stranger. Doesn't recognize me, I'm transformed by my anger. Mad at myself cause I thought I could change her. Her words are tangled like a spider web, like the words I used to get inside her bed. The one that I lied with, the one that I lied to. I want her to change and refuse to change what I do.
Slide to the vibe, bounce to the rhythm. Love your life, cause there's only one given.
What you do with it is what it's about. So I make my changes from the inside out.
I rearrange and change the things that I do. And even though I change, my change can't change you.
You need some change, yeah, that's been proven. But making people change